Oh my god, there are birds everywhere. Oh my god. Babe.
Wanted to make it easier.
Oh, jeez.
Apparently not.
Oh my god. I look terrifying. My double chin is ginormous. And then all of the pimples that are on my face. And then my hair.
Well, you didn't do your hair. You didn't put on any makeup.
I look horrific. Okay, so today we are, God, I look awful. We are going to just run a bunch of errands. We just went to the bank and then I remembered that I forgot my camera at home. And I'm supposed to be doing Vlogmas. And that means that I'm supposed to film every single day and upload a video every single day. And so far, I have not done that. So, so we're gonna go to the bank and then we're gonna go to Whole Foods and then what else do we need to do? Oh, we need to get shampoo and conditioner because we don't have any. We don't have conditioner. How much did you get out of it? Because I couldn't even get like a handful out the other day. I don't know if you're using the right one. No, I tried to wash my hair and I did not have enough to wash my hair the other day. Okay, but you don't have my hair. You have 2 inches of hair.
I'm gonna hit the very press down.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. In sync.
No.
No! Okay, you can change it.
Christmas list. Santa baby, Santa baby, Santa baby. I want a yacht and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney
Help me. The lid won't stay on.
Need the deed to a platinum mine, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
So it is freezing cold. We just got ramen to go from Silver Lake Ramen, and it's kind of a newer place. Oh my god, there are birds everywhere. Oh my god, babe. Oh, no, I don't like birds. Get me in this car right now. I hate birds.
Ho, 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 ho!